Okay, so we got our claw puller in there, our claw puller, our crowfoot puller. We're going to run those down in there. They're 5/16 by 24 thread bolts. Just gently start them in there, thread them down in little ways, get them started down in to where they're going to, you don't want to cross thread anything, so hand tighten them down in there a ways. Draw them down, just, you don't have to go down all the way through, but a ways. And then get your hub with your diamond point on the end of it there and draw that up against those. Let's get them consistent so they're even across the board. Draw that one down to the other one. There we go. You want a nice even pull on that steering wheel. There we go. Let's pull this one down just a little bit more. There we go. Alright. And then we'll go ahead and we'll grab a hold of that with that breaker bar and we'll raise that up. 1 second here while I put that up on it and we'll draw it down. Alright, breaker bar in place and we're going to go ahead and start drawing that downward. And well, now you're going to find a little resistance there, but all of a sudden it'll start to break and it's already coming loose. There we go. That's it. That's all there is to pulling it. Now, before you get it all the way off there, center your hub just so that way your keyway's in a consistent spot. I like to make sure it's set back at a 12 o'clock position. And then just pull your hub puller back out of the way. And you can just bounce that steering wheel right off. In fact, it'll come right off right now. All I gotta do is tap up from underneath and I can take this off outside the truck. So, bump here. Bump over here. And there it is right there. So now feed your cable back through the bottom for your clock spring. You got it out of the way. Let's get that pushed back through the clock spring wiring back out and through this port in the side here, right down here. So we don't break the clock spring because that's a big pain in the butt to replace. Another couple $100 in parts from Bendix. And then reach up underneath, fish it out the rest of the way. There you go. And then just like that, steering wheel is out. And that's how you pull the steering wheel. Alright, well, if you have any questions, send me a message. And for those of you that like, share, and subscribe, we're glad to have you on board. Thanks very much. Talk to you later, Frank.